your braces off? When are you getting your braces off? The braces are off. And let me tell you, it was a journey. It was a 10-year journey. Imagine having braces for most of your life. Literally having no idea what you would look like without them. Well, guess who doesn't have braces anymore? I got my braces off. I can like genuinely smile and laugh. I literally remember one of my friends being like, did you ever notice you would hide your teeth or your smile whenever you laughed? Like, you're not doing that anymore. And as soon as like the first person pointed it out, I was like, oh, I can be me. So let's go down this journey together. I'm getting my braces taken off tomorrow after 10 years. Don't know how to feel because not only have I had them since I was in 5th grade, I'm turning 21 this month. This has been one of my biggest insecurities since I can remember. Always hated my teeth, and on top of that, I've always like gotten told even by professionals that like, yeah, if I want to have like on paper like a nice smile, I was going to not only need braces, I was gonna need like some type of cosmetic bonding or veneer. It's even crazier. This right here is not even my real tooth. This is composite bonding. I had composite bonding done while I had braces because it was such a long procedure that I was growing up and my self-confidence was going down because my smile was so disgusting. And so I went to my orthodontist and I was like, hey girl, I'm like finally gonna look at myself and talk and laugh and watch videos where my focus isn't gonna go to my mouth. What my focus goes to is like, oh my god, you forgot to cover your mouth, you're smiling too hard and like you can see your teeth, and that's my biggest insecurity. I'm so excited. It is February 4th. Today I am officially getting my braces taken off. I literally thought this day would never come. I think you guys thought this day would never come. I literally put this on my 2026 vision board. 2 big old chompers. Finally wanted to achieve my dream smile this year. It's finally coming true. I got my braces when I was in 5th grade. I am now 21 years old and in college. Not only did I have braces throughout all of these phases, from being a kid to being a preteen to being a teen to being now an adult, I quite literally don't know what I look like without braces. And today starts the journey to my whole process for achieving my dream smile. I feel like I'm having an identity crisis. I'm in my bathroom because this is going to be the last time that I'm brushing my teeth with my braces. My teeth have been my biggest insecurity by far since I was a little kid. I remember seeing everybody start growing up out of their little kid teeth and just going into this like adult, even just teenager smile. My teeth stayed looking the same. That shit was traumatizing. I remember mostly like growing up, whenever I would be with my friends or just we would be talking back and forth with like a group of people, a situation would get brought up and someone would say a nice smile. Teeth. Oh my god, that would kill me. It would kill me. Automatically thought, okay, they must think I'm ugly. They must think I'm less than because I have ugly teeth. I have an ugly smile. And if you look back to my old videos, I would really cover my teeth or my mouth in those videos. I would like always be like this or like this. Like I would find a way to cover my teeth. Quite interesting. Get hormonal pimples or whatever. I'm gonna bring it back with me. You might be thinking, from what we're seeing, your teeth aren't that bad. I mean, some of you might be like, but some of you might be like, okay, it's not horrible. This isn't even really my real teeth. I had resina or composite bonding done in the middle of my braces process because of how insecure I was. I was going into my junior year and I told my orthodontist, I told my parents, I am insanely insecure. I feel like shit about myself and I know I'm not getting my braces taken off soon. Is there something we can do? They talked things over and my orthodontist said we can put on some composite bonding in your first 4 teeth so you feel a little bit better. I feel kind of weird right now, but it's so much better than my old teeth. I do feel kind of weird. I'm just not used to them yet. I
can't go get my braces taken off without showing you guys the before. And it's funny because I know by the time this video is posted and you guys are watching this, I'm gonna have my new smile already. So like what I look like right now won't matter, but for some reason this is so hard. Like the fact that I'm going to show you guys fully makes me die a little inside. When I tell you, I've never actually like shown my teeth, not even to my parents, not even to my boyfriend, to my best friend. I've never purposely shown my smile until now. Oh.
Ya estamos. ¿Segura?
I am home. Oh my god. It genuinely feels so weird. I look a little Bugs Bunny-ish because I do have two big gaps because that's where, you know, they're gonna fill in. This is me without braces. We're there for 3 hours, over 3 hours. Did get my gums lasered. Pretty sure it's called gum lasering contour or something like that. So my teeth, my gums are sensitive right now, so I am a little scared. I also did in fact get a retainer. I don't know, I did already have it in my teeth. I'm gonna put them back in right now when I brush my teeth. And then I have a permanent retainer on my bottom row. The gaps are pretty bad, but overall look at my teeth. Like that's crazy. For the brown stuff is my burnt gum. So it's obviously still healing. All my teeth literally have like brown all over it. Okay, it's gonna be my first time brushing my teeth. I'm scared because again, my teeth are, or my gums are sensitive. My mom gifted me. She also gave me this denture cleanser. Do I use it now? Like I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know how to do any of this. I wasn't taught anything. I've had braces for over 10 years. I don't know how to do any of this. Oh, and it sucks because it's like all my teeth. Like not one tooth that is not gotten its gum lasered off. Wow, this feels insanely different. Oh my god, that feels so weird. I'm bleeding. Okay, they started bleeding a good amount. They are officially on. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to these because I do feel like I feel like my teeth are like this. It feels a little weird and I can like feel it in my mouth. Excited. It's officially time. I'm gonna get my teeth fully fixed. My dream smile. So scared. Look at that. I like don't feel like myself right now. This is so weird. Hello.
No, está bien.
Hello.
Bro, they look amazing, man. Let me see. They look like regular teeth. No, they look perfect.
I don't know how to feel. Look at them though. It's so weird. Finally have normal teeth.
So, what do you guys think? I can't believe that I spent 10 years not knowing what like I genuinely looked like and not feeling 100% my best self. I'm not saying that I didn't have my confident moments. There were so many times where I was like, damn, you look good. I never felt 100% because even like being around my parents, my family, or my boyfriend, the people that I'm supposed to feel like my most confident in, I didn't. I think it was like a year into my relationship that like I told him like this is one of my biggest insecurities, and I never let not my mom, not my dad, not my sister, not my boyfriend ever see my teeth like good. Even when I was gonna get them taken off, I was really insecure of like literally opening my mouth and being like, these are my teeth. Like I couldn't show them for the life of me. It was just such a big insecurity, and I knew people could see it, but I didn't want them to like see it. Whoever you are also insecure about your teeth. I'm not telling you that you are less than, and I'm not telling you that you need to go fix it, but I'm telling you that this is how I felt. For 10 years, I had to do a bunch of procedures with my teeth, and I just never was going to feel my best self if I didn't get it fixed. I wish I could tell you like you are worth more than that, and you are amazing, and you're beautiful, and you're perfect, because I do believe that you are, but I do also know being on the other end of the stick and actually feeling all these things, it doesn't feel like that. So I'm not gonna give you guys fake advice because that would be fake, because me telling you you're perfect, you're beautiful, you're amazing, I went and got it fixed. It's like, girl, with the fur. So personally, I think you're perfect, beautiful, and amazing. But I also think that you're your own self. You know what goes on in your little head. You know what goes on in your little heart. And if you feel that you want to do something, do it. If you're underage, wait. It's your body. It's your choice. I will never judge you for that. Sorry. This was my 10-year long journey of my braces, of my teeth. I really wish over the years I would have gotten footage of my process and like honestly even embarrassing footage of like me crying over my teeth, because trust, there was a lot of time. But I genuinely was just so insecure to even like show my teeth at all. Even if I was gonna hide it in the comfort of my own phone, like I couldn't do it. So this is what y'all got. I love you guys all so much. My goal is to post every Friday. If I don't post Fridays, it will be up on Saturday. When I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm posting on TikTok. If you want to keep me in the loop, you want to keep hanging out with me, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, it's actually crazy to like be talking to you guys and like I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Remember, we hang out every Friday or Saturday, every weekend.